Guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Sophie. My name's Sophie.
And I'm Sophie's dad. And today we have a fire construction kit. So let's open it up and see some of the things that we get.
And you can see that there's already that you have 4 characters right there.
Yeah, so we'll open this up. Now this is a fire emergency call out kit. It has 185 pieces. It includes 4 figures, access fire engine, response cabin, and access tower.
It has lots of to play with.
Rightio, so there you can see everything that comes in the box. You got your 4 figures, you got your instruction booklet there, and 3 bags of pieces. So there we have the finished product. What do you think, Soph?
They look pretty good.
So what do we got? We got 2 fire engines.
We've got 1 ladder
Yeah.
and 1
Almost looks like a fire station.
this looks like a fire station.
And we've got 2 fire engines. Awesome. And just to remember, these construction blocks are compatible with any other blocks that you may have, so they will go nicely in your container with all your different construction blocks. You got anything else to say, Soph?
Thanks for watching our video. If you'd like to see more, subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Bye!